we ready to see your house?
Yes!
Yay! I'm so excited.
Lila, are you excited?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's go see it.
All right, let's go. Let's go check it out.
Oh my goodness. The door looks so pretty.
Holly looks so good, Kayla.
It looks so good. Wow.
Hey there, I'm Peter with Indigo River Tiny Homes, and right outside this door are Caitlin and Zach Schraub with their children Lila and Hollis, and this is the first time they're going to see their home completed, so we're about to open the door, let them in, and see how they like it. All right, come on in, guys. It's Lila, Hollis, Caitlin, and Zach.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow.
Wow, it's amazing.
It looks so great.
Look at your ladder.
That goes up to your room. Do you want to go up
You
there,
ready to
Lila?
climb up?
Go, girl.
Come on. Climb on up.
Test it out. We need a tester.
I love the black door. That looks great.
That's chalkboard paint so you can draw on it.
Oh,
No
awesome.
way.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
that's
so
just
cool.
chalk on
What
it.
do you think?
Good. Can I come out? Yeah. Lila, oh my goodness. Look at
Oh, that's
your
so
bed.
cool.
But how can I get up? Well, look, there's this little step. So you step up there.
All right.
It's like a tree house. Look at your cabinet.
Can you stand up there?
Can you stand up? Watch your head.
Almost.
Oh, for like a minute more she can.
Once you get your mattress in there, you'll just have to sit down.
Hey, look what this is.
You want to pop it up?
Hold it
It's
from the
pretty
back.
easy to pop up. My daughter did it yesterday, and she popped it back down even.
Pull.
Pull.
Pull up.
You might, yeah, there you go.
Oh, it's a desk. It's great.
Hooray!
There's
And
two
then there's
little
two,
axes.
yeah, you got to do them at the same
Oh
time.
yeah, here and here. We'll have to practice.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so easy.
Yeah, and then you just push it too.
Oh, you push it more.
Yeah.
There we
Wow,
go.
look at that. Let's go down.
Oops, I hit the light.
Try turning around. There you go. This is great.
Kelly's handles look awesome.
I know.
Look at that.
This is
That's
awesome.
so cool.
It's great. This is exactly what I pictured.
Do you want to open the door to Hollis's room?
Yeah. You see this little and push it that way. It's like push. There you go. Go in. Oh my goodness. Hollis, look at your room.
Oh, wow.
God, this is awesome.
You just walk right up there.
The whole family's in there.
I know. Look, that's where his bed goes. And he has this cool fan.
Isn't that great?
The fan is great.
Yeah, this is
I
kinda-
know. I love the countertops and the blue and the gold.
Those handles
Wow.
look great with that.
Those
wood.
handles look awesome.
Yeah, I like those handles.
Oh, my goodness.
We're
Hold
coming,
on.
we're coming. Oh my goodness.
And then
Look at
the
this.
toe kick drawers down at the very bottom there. There's not one under the sink, but there's one underneath the drawers in the oven.
You just pulled
Yeah,
it.
just pull them.
That's so
Oh, wow.
nice. I love everything.
The shelf looks awesome here.
I
You can
love
open the
it.
fridge.
Nice.
Oh,
It's
awesome.
cold.
The shelf is awesome.
Yeah, this shelf we weren't sure what the shelf where the shelves were gonna be. This is awesome.
Oh, it's so great.
Okay, I think my favorite though is the wall.
The accent, yeah, that's
Uh-huh.
awesome. It really just
It
stands
is
out. It's
beautiful.
beautiful.
It's reclaimed pallet wood.
Oh, it's so
It's
cool.
gorgeous.
Why do you like it?
Lila,
Alright.
how is it up there?
Yeah, she wants you to come see. Here, I'll get out of the way.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. Oh wow. It is.
Corner shelf.
Look at the shelf, yeah.
Oh my goodness, we have more closet space than we have ever, I think. This is awesome.
Oh, that's great. Here, Caitlin, look at
Yeah.
that. Oh, look.
Wow. This is
Beautiful.
so pretty. Okay, here, let
And
me
then-
hold him. You go look at your desk.
I know. Oh, wow, that's awesome.
Thank you.
Oh, it's perfect. Look at this shelf up here is awesome.
Oh,
Oh,
the
it's-
windows.
Oh, I know. It's so light. It feels
It's
so open.
light. And I feel like this window here
You like it?
changes everything.
Yeah.
I love it. It's great feng shui. When
Yeah.
you walk up and the window's right in front of you.
Mhm.
It's
Mhm.
wonderful.
Can you climb up on the step right there?
Can you do it? Yeah, there you go. Comfy. Wow.
All right, now let's see if the whole family can fit in the bathroom.
Go check it out. Wow.
Oh,
How can
wow.
we fit?
We totally do.
This is it.
Oh, it's awesome. Look at
This
that.
is so
Oh.
pretty.
Can you open it?
Can you open it?
Almost.
That's great. I love the sink.
Oh, the vanity's
It's
awesome.
so pretty. This is my favorite in the bathroom.
Uh-huh. It's perfect.
Yeah, I love how that turned out. That whole corner is
Yeah.
really nice.
The accent that.
Yeah, they saw it.
Oh, that's so cool.
And I love the way it's on the other side too.
Yeah.
It looks so good with the white too.
It looks so great. I'm glad
There
we
you
did
are.
that. Not like the bright white, but
Yeah. The linen.
it looks so
Oh, it looks
good.
awesome.
Wow.
I know. Now can I come check your room out? Alright. We have matching desks. Let me see. Yeah, push the buttons. Can you push them both? There you go. You got it.
Just get fingers out of the way. There we go.
There you go. Uh-huh.
Right on.
Push a little harder. There you go.
Hey.
Good job, girl.
Awesome.
Let me see.
Bye.
Look at your shelves too.
See you later. Can you climb up the
Yeah.
stairs? The banister is beautiful.
Peter, the cabinets are beautiful, man. And the gold looks really cool on them too.
Yeah.
That looks really cool.
Even on the natural finish.
Yeah. Let me see.
Yeah. I love it on the blue.
Wow, you see Hollis's room? And Hollis's big window?
I'm gonna go get the bathroom while
I know.
got the laundry nook.
Hollis's bed.
Gorgeous shower.
Play right here. Be right there, okay? I'm not looking
I love
at
everything about this scene too.
Isn't that cool? We ended up buying the same faucet bed at nickel for our house. You just pull it down
Oh,
like
it just
that.
pulls down.
And it actually pulls out if you hold this, it'll pull out further.
Oh wow,
Oh, it's
this
got
is
some
great.
water.
I've always wanted like a sprayer or something. We just have right now. It's like really shallow. This is really pretty. And I love that you can put something here. Zach, did you see this?
Thanks y'all for letting us be a part of this
Absolutely. We're so
moment.
glad.
We're
Thank you so much.
excited
Yeah,
for you
this is-
guys.
Yeah, we're so grateful to have you for customers, and we're just so glad that you love your house. So.
I love it.
We
It's
love it so much.
Yeah.
Awesome.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye.
See y'all later.